Start. Para. Contract farming has been in existence for many years as a means of organizing commercial agricultural production of both large scale and small scale farmers. Market liberalization, globalization, and expanding agribusinesses poses a challenge to the small farmers to fully participating in the manner economy, especially in the era of globalization. The concept of contract farming is an effective way to coordinate and promote production and marketing in agriculture. Contract farming thus can be loosely defined as an agreement between farmers and processing or marketing firms for the production and supply of agricultural produce under forward agreement, frequently at predetermined prices. Some experts argue that contract farming is an essential agreement between unequal parties, companies, government bodies, or individual entrepreneurs on the one hand and economically weaker farmers on the other. The main feature of contract farming is that the buyer contractor supplies all the material inputs and technical advice required for cultivation to the cultivator. This approach is widely used not only for cash crops but also increasingly for fruits and vegetables, poultry, pigs, dairy products, prawn, and fish. Contract farming is characterized by its enormous diversity with regard to the products contracted and also in relation to many different ways in which it can be carried out. The advantages, disadvantages, and problems arising from contract farming will vary according to the physical, social, and market environments. Para. More specifically, the distribution of risk will depend on such factors as the nature of the markets for both the raw materials and the processed product, the availability of alternative earning opportunities for farmers, and the extent to which relevant technical information is provided to the contracted farmers. These factors are likely to change over time, as will the distribution of risk. Contract farming means agricultural production carried out according to an agreement between a buyer and farmers, which establishes conditions for the production and marketing of a farm product or products. Typically, the farmer agrees to provide pre-decided quantities of a specific agricultural products. This would meet the quality standards of the purchaser and be supplied at the time determined by the purchaser. In turn, the buyer commits to purchase the produce and, in some cases, to support production through assistance such as the supply of farm inputs, land preparation, and the provision of technical advice. Stop.